Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. We start here, you know it, with chapstick. My name is Dion, for those of you who don't know. And if you are new here, welcome. And welcome to the Crazy Troll Nation. You see me in all of my glorious trollness. I have on nothing but skincare. I just went out and checked my mail because this arrived today. The concept of the Crazy Troll Nation is just having fun with our makeup. The troll part is not giving too much concern to what the beauty community standards of beauty is. You're beautiful the way you are, inside and out. I'm going to be an official YouTuber with my fan because I am sweating. Anyway, see what I mean? Just have fun on your channel. Have fun with what you do. You're beautiful inside and out. So here it is about self-acceptance, self-love, embracing your natural features, enhancing them when you want to, because we love playing in face paint, but not feeling like we have to, not feeling like we can't come on video unless we have on a full face face paint. So just love who you are, because at the end of the day, when you wash your makeup off, I want you to still love you for how you look and for who you are. That's the concept. I do curse on my channel sometimes. Why am I still sweating? You know what? That's the ointment around my nose. As you can see, it's still red. And my eczema here is acting up. So I've been putting on a different cream here. Y'all, I don't know. And I woke up today, my under eyes were swollen. Like, I'm like, what the hell is going on? I don't know. So anyway, I did open a box while I was yakking. Boxycharm, Express Yourself. These are the Pride colors. I'm debating on whether or not to do a Pride look, because honestly, I am just flat out intimidated by trying to put all those colors together into a look. And I've seen some amazing looks, but I'm just like, I'm scared. We're going to start pulling things out the box. The first thing that was not, listen, this was on top of the bubble wrap. This is the bubble wrap. And then the other stuff is just inside the box. Why not put the items in between the bubble wrap? You know, but you know what? It's a base box. And so I guess they're like, she lucky to just get whatever she get. This says Sahara Night Eloise. Sorry for the glare. I will open it up. Oh, you don't open it up. It slides to the left. It's good for 24 months. Awesome. Eloise Beauty Sahara Nights Eyeshadow Palette. The Sahara Nights palette features 6 unique, super sparkly, and highly pigmented shimmers that'll truly leave all your nights golden. Retail value is $35. It is a Boxy exclusive. I will try this because it didn't say anything about pressed pigments or glitters. Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution System Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. I have a retinol serum that I do really like. I do like the container. So it has a press here, and I guess this goes down and presses out there. So it says it's good for 12 months, it's vegan, cruelty-free. It says that it's new retinol. Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. Clean, vegan, 2.5% bio-retinol plus retinol serum with breakdown scientific technology, encapsulating the vitamin and evening primrose to assure stability and to avoid toxic chemicals. Skin rescuing technologies to help keep your skin looking and acting youthful while you sleep. I was going to say shop, sleep, while you sleep. This serum glides on smoothly and leaves skin feeling hydrated. Retails for $72. There is 1 fluid ounces in here. The serum I use is the PM Fusion by Peter Thomas Roth. Also 1 fluid ounce, and I believe it's $68. And I do get it when I see it on sales because it is expensive, excuse me. This being $72 is around about what retinol serums cost. Volition Turmeric Brightening Polish, face and body. Am I not bright? Even though I only have on sweat. Even though, oh, my bags, look, and I'm all swollen under here. Look at how swollen my under eyes are. And I'm still here because I embrace it. Whatever I look like when I wake up, embrace it. And I'm here and I love how I look because I love me. And I want all of you to love yourselves for who you are and for how you look. I know I said that already, but I just want to drive that home. So what was I going to say? Oh, even just having on skincare, when you look at my face, like this part already looks highlighted. You see what I mean? And so there is some glow to my skin already, and it's not just sweat. My skin does have a natural glow. So I'm going to open this and show you what it looks like. Clean, cruelty-free, vegan. This says beauty is what you make of it. It's good for 12 months. Scanning the ingredients, it does have some really good stuff in here. Well, it looks like it does. Volition Beauty Turmeric Brightening Polish, an indulgent polishing scrub powered by turmeric to visibly brighten skin and reveal a natural looking glow. Retails for $38. I admit I'm curious, but I don't need a polishing scrub. I do have face masks that I like. Am I curious? Yes. But again, like if I use it and don't like it, then what, you know? This says Moonlit. I'm guessing that's what that says. Is that the color? I'm laughing because I received a lip liner and during my try on, I did say, oh, I got this lip liner. And then towards the end of the video, when I was finishing the look, I used it as an eyeliner. And when I was editing it back, I'm just like, how did I forget that was a lip liner? Surprisingly, it did not irritate my eyes. Most eyeliners do irritate my eyes when I do my inner rims and sometimes even my upper lash line. But for a lip liner to not irritate my eyes, I'm like, do I just need to start using lip liners on my eyes? Like, what? Moonlit by, I'm not going to pronounce the name because I know I'm going to butcher it. Loom number 49. Talk, smirk, laugh, grin. Your lovely lips communicate so much every day. Why not your sense of style as well? Made for comfort, all day wear. Moonlit by the name I'm not going to pronounce, so I'll butcher it. Lipstick pencils give your smile the buttery, moisturizing formula it deserves and the color payoff you've always wanted. All in one convenient pencil that's easy to tuck into a purse or a makeup bag. Retails for $18. I am going to try this. Ooh. The last thing in the box, this is Kismet Polished, it says. Oh, it has a scripture. John 14, verses 1 through 4. Aww. Non-sticky with flawless gloss finish. It looks like it says 18 months that it's good for. The entire packaging fits the container, which is nice. So there's like no excess packaging. Oh, this is a nice shade. And it does say Kismet down here. So let's see what the paper says. Kismet Polish Lip Plumping Gloss. As sweet and soft as a baby, this lip gloss offers up the ideal pinky nude pout. The perfect everyday gloss. Plump your lips and reduce wrinkles in one simple swipe. This whisper lightweight treatment moisturizes and provides a natural glossy finish. So to recap, lip plumper, lip pencil, you know what? I see what they did here. Because you have a lip liner in that color and a lip plumper in this color. That is awesome. So someone somewhere at Boxy is putting thought into curating these boxes. That is so good to know. But sometimes I'm like, what is all this random shit? The eyeshadow palette, that's what that looks like. And it does look pretty. I'm thinking I may have to use either a brown or black base under some of these shades, particularly, actually all of them. This one may show up on me without a base. Because I have a warm undertone, my skin eats these types of shades, especially if they're shimmer. And this one seems like it would be a there, not there, kind of. But we're going to experiment. We'll see. And we have the polisher, and we have a retinol serum. And I think I've seen this a lot, but not the new one. And I do think this says it's a new one. Yeah, on here it says it's new. On the packaging, it doesn't, which is strange. Because I do remember hearing and seeing Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Cream from this brand. So that is everything we have here. Thank you for being here. If you've been here and you enjoyed the video, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Comment. Either way, there is something going on funky with YouTube comments today. Today is June 14th. I can reply to comments from the email notification of the comment, but if I go to YouTube on my phone or on my computer, the comments are not under my videos, and so it's weird. And even in YouTube Studio, the comments are not there. So I don't know what's going on with YouTube today. And I'm a small channel, so I'm just like, why are they picking on me? Anyway, so leave your comments below. Hopefully I'll get to see them and comment, and you'll get to see my comments. So there'll be some videos popping up over here in the playlist, so just hang tight and browse through. Leave comments like the ones you do. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I think I've said that already. I'm going to go because I feel like I'm repeating myself and or babbling or both. That's what we do here at the Crazy Troll Nation. Look at his bag though. Wow. Thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next video.